Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. In this box, I have the Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volt. And I see a lot of questions online asking how this bike stacks up to the Super 73 RX, which is $1,500 more expensive, and even the Super 73 S2. Well, you're in luck, because I have both. I'm going to be putting the most comparable Super 73 RX head-to-head with the Ariel Rider 52 volt X-Class. And I'll also put the Super 73 S2 head-to-head against the Ariel Rider 52 volt X-Class, just in case you're looking at that bike as well. Now, like I said, the Super 73 RX costs $1,500 more, with basically the same features, if not less, than the Ariel Rider X-Class 52 volt. All right, let me know what type of comparisons or tests you like to see me do in the comments below, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Give this video a thumbs up, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications on my videos so you can see what happens when I put these bikes head to head. All right, until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.